What's up guys, Dante here with Sure Proof Customs with another vlog. So today we are doing a buddy of mine's car. He was driving down the highway when it was raining really bad that day. Hydroplaned and lost control and kind of went into some trees. It's a little different when it's like versus a customer I really don't know compared to a customer that I do know. So this is my buddy Nick, and I know him, and normally I'm happy when we get collision cars, but this one kind of hitting close to home because it's a really good buddy of mine. His fiance could have got hurt, but yeah, we're gonna take care of this with no problem. Nobody was injured, so that's a good thing. His bumpers are pretty much really bad condition. One of the tailpipes is bent in like at an 80-degree angle, so it's really not too bad. It looks pretty rough, but I think that it'll be probably pretty much smooth sailing. Insurance adjuster just left. Looks like no body or no frame damage or anything like that as of right now. We still have to take the car apart, tear it down, put it on the lift, and then assess the damage and write a supplement for it. So yeah, welcome to the vlog, guys. Okay guys, after further review, after tearing the front end of the car down, what we found out was the impact bar is actually damaged, dented in the middle. We marked that damage down, and then also we found out that the radiator and the condenser is bent up and mangled up pretty bad, so we're gonna have to switch those out too. So that'll be on the supplement. Now we're about to go ahead and go to the back side and see what else we can find out on supplement damage. Okay, after taking off the rear bumper of the 2017 Mustang, found out that the pipe is pretty bent, like at a 90-degree or 80-degree angle. Tip is bent and the corner is bent. Good thing it's a bolt on. Another thing we found out is we need a trunk pan in there, and we need the rear body panel that seals off the trunk. So we're going to have to add that into the supplement as well, and we'll get back to it. Peace.